Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the favorite workouts menu or the list on this watch. First we need to open the activities menu. To do it, press the upper button and then tap on activities. And here we have the list of favorite workouts. By default it will be quite limited, but you can edit it. We can tap on edit, then scroll through the list, tap on add, and now you can find the category of the workout you want to add. And once you find it, you can find the workout. For example, I don't know, boat. And then you can tap on done, and the boat will be added to the favorite list. And then you can tap done, and here we have it. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you add the workout to the favorite workouts list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.